Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous night tonight, and I'm pretty excited about something that I found. Last week we did a really fun pour called Whimsical that was inspired by my beautiful friend Sarah Mack and the beautiful wrecks that she does with her smack stick or her chopstick, and that was a lot of fun, and it got me thinking about other kinds of wrecks that I used to do a long time ago. And then I found this. For those of you that have been watching me for a while, this is the original OG princess comb that started the whole comb wrecking thing for me. I found it in my daughter's closet and I swiped it, and it was awesome and made some really beautiful paintings for us, and I'm really happy that I found it again. So we're going to do a comb wreck ring pour with this tonight and some beautiful colors, and I think it's going to be awesome. So this is a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I've painted my sides and edges with one of my colors, which I'll show you right now. The first one we're using is that beautiful DecoArt Americana in Love Potion. Very, very pretty stuff. I like this one a lot. I went and got more because I liked it so much. Everything is mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol pouring medium. Beautiful. Not super, super thick tonight, but not very, very thin either. Leaving a mound on a mound and then sinking into itself. So that's Love Potion. Then we have HOA's Showgirl over here. The DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. She is a beautiful one, I have to say. She does not disappoint. So that's DecoArt 24 karat gold. This one is another one of those DecoArt Americanas in Coral Burst. Beautiful, beautiful color. I really, really liked how that worked in that last painting that we used it in. I will link that one for you up here. But this was very, very pretty. So this is the Coral Burst from DecoArt Americana. And you can go find them on their website, www.decoart.com. And you can also use the search. So if you have one color that you're looking for, put in Coral Burst and it'll come up. This one is another one of those that we used last time. This is Banana Cream. Very, very, very pretty. I really like this one a lot. There we go. And I really like the way those three work together. The Love Potion and the Coral Burst and the Banana Cream. Very, very cool. And then we have our Feral Cloud mix, courtesy of Kelly from Feral Art. This is some Artists Loft Soft Body White and Vallejo Pearl pouring medium and some Floetrol. Actually, it's not just Floetrol, it is my pouring medium, and then I've thinned it out, so it's the same consistency as everything else. So with this, it's important that everything is the same consistency. It doesn't have to be super thin, doesn't have to be super thick, just everything kind of across the board. So what we're going to do tonight, we are going to layer 2 cups, a 16-ounce cup and a 7-ounce cup, because for a 24 by 24, we need about 21 ounces of paint, and that's only 16 ounces. So we're going to do that one first, and we're going to do that one maybe later. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to start off with a little bit of gold in the middle. Okay, and we're going to go right into Love Potion. I've actually thought about how I want this. Then I want some of the Cloud mix. And that Coral Burst. And some Banana Cream. And then another layer of the Cloud mix. And some more gold. I'm just going to keep repeating that. And I am kind of doing thinner layers than I normally do, just because I feel like it. Cream. Cloud mix. Gold. I'm going to start putting a little thicker layers now.
You're supposed to put a cloud there.
Yeah, it'll be all right. Okay, so that's the first cup. We're going to do this little one now. Okay, I think we're going to layer this a little thicker layers. Ended on that. Okay, cool. Okay, and I also have here some flow extender. Actually, this is leftover drips from the last time I used this colors with some additional white to tone it down a bit. It's a very soft, pretty peach color, but you probably won't leave much of this on there anyway. So we're going to put some of this down first. And then we're going to put some of our cloud mix right on top of that to pour into. Okay. Let's start with the big cup. And we're going to do a ring pour, and we're going to stay pretty close to the canvas. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here you go. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Okay, that's really pretty, and I love what's happening, but we're going to be bold and use our second cup anyway, because I know we're going to need the paint. Right in the middle. Are you ready, darling?
Aye, lass.
You go. Ooh, a lot of gold there. Cool. Very cool. Okay. Sort of sorbet. So I went back and I watched a couple of the older comb wrecked ring pours, and what I really liked about them was when there was a more solid section and bringing some of the colors through that solid section. And I don't know, I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoy this too. We're going to put a little more flow extender around this, the corners and edges.
Wreck it.
Are you done?
Wreck it.
Okay, thank you.
One more. Wreck it.
I'm trying to work here.
Sorry, you carried away.
All right, so we're going to wreck it using the comb, and we're not going to do like multiple. We're going to do one nice big one with some twists and turns, I hope, and then we're going to stretch it out, and it's going to be awesome. So, all right, we're going to start from over here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here you go. Okay, that's very cool. Should we leave that side like that, or should we do a little bit?
Nope.
We should leave it like that?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
since you say so.
No, I'm just trying to make sure you're sure.
Well,
'Cause if you're not sure, then it doesn't matter what I say.
I think I do want to. Yeah, we're going to do one more. We're going to go over here. I'm going to go up towards you. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Yay, I'm excited. It's going to be really cool. Alright, let's dance. Find the way to paint. I'm going to walk this down to this corner first. Go right off the edge. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna go down this way now. Be sure to get off that bottom edge too. I'm going to take a little bit off of that bottom down there, just so we can open this up and leave a little less paint on the canvas, because I do want this to dry. Cool. What do you think?
I think you need to get more of this off.
You think so?
Yep.
I kind of like that edge though. And I don't want to lose these. I love those like really cool lines. I see what you're saying though. There's the way to paint. Still moving pretty fast, but I don't want to take any more off. I like what's happening here. Because if I start to take some more off, there's cloud mix underneath and we're going to get 10 million cells. There's still enough paint on here right now that I don't think that's going to happen, but we are getting some. I really like these lines and all these beautiful pastel-y colors. Very springtime. Very cool. That love potion is really beautiful. That's cool. Just a little bit. And then I'll take it back. Awesome. Cool. I like that a lot. Just a little bit.
It's very desserty.
Yeah, it is, but it's very pretty. I like it a lot. It's so soft and pretty. Okay, cool. So that was our princess comb wrecked ring pour
It's very princessy.
with love potion and banana cream and that beautiful coral burst and our feral cloud mix and some 24 karat gold. It's I like how it kind of weaves in and out of each other. It's really pretty all through here. These beautiful lines, and there's like one set of lines here and then a bunch of different colors and then a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different colors. That's cool. Awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please give me a like, comment, share, hype, all that fun stuff. Thank you. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the next day. It is not totally dry yet, but it is on its way. The center is still pretty wet, so I can't stand it up. But I wanted to show you guys some of these beautiful details. So pretty. I love all these lines from the comb. Just beautiful. And those colors, that banana cream and the coral burst with the love potion in there. Really, really pretty. Very soft, very sorbet-like. Really cool. And in the sun, I think this is going to look gorgeous. So this was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this one and had some fun like I did. And I'll show you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for being here. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.